Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to extract audio from video in CapCut PC. If you need to isolate a voiceover or a background sound so you can clean it up, level it, or edit it separately from your visuals, this is the fastest way to do it on CapCut for desktop. Extracting audio from a video is a useful editing skill for many situations. For example, you may want to improve the quality of a voice recording, remove background noise, create a separate music track, or adjust your audio without affecting the video itself. CapCut makes this process simple by allowing you to separate the audio track in just a few clicks. First, head down to the timeline and locate the video clip that contains the sound you want to isolate. The timeline is the horizontal area where your project's clips are arranged, so make sure you've clicked the exact segment with the audio you need. Before separating the audio, double-check that you have selected the correct clip. If your project contains multiple video layers, choosing the wrong clip will extract audio from a different source than the one you want. When you've got the right clip selected, right-click directly on that clip to open CapCut's Advanced Options menu. This menu holds the specific actions you can apply to the selected item. The right-click menu gives you quick access to important editing tools without searching through different sections of CapCut. It helps speed up your workflow, especially when working on longer projects. Next, scroll through the menu until you find Separate Audio and click it. If you prefer to move quicker, use the Pro keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Shift+S. Using keyboard shortcuts can save a lot of time once you become comfortable with them. For frequent editing tasks like cutting clips, separating audio, or adjusting layers, shortcuts help you work faster and stay focused on your timeline. The instant you do this, CapCut rips the sound out of the video and places it on its own dedicated blue audio track, positioned directly beneath the footage on the timeline. You'll usually see a waveform appear on that blue track, which makes it easier to spot pauses, peaks, and breaths at a glance. The waveform gives you a visual representation of your audio. This makes it easier to identify areas where someone is speaking, where there is silence, or where the audio level suddenly increases. This process is non-destructive, so your original picture remains intact while the audio becomes its own editable item. Keeping the original video unchanged is helpful because you can always return to your original footage if you need to make additional edits later. Your audio adjustments stay separate and flexible. Now that your audio sits on a separate layer, click the blue audio track to select it. From here, you can edit it completely independently. Trim the beginning or end to remove dead air. Slice out pauses in your speech, or delete any sounds you don't need, all without touching your visual frames. This is especially useful for tutorial videos, interviews, podcasts, and YouTube content where clean audio plays a major role in keeping viewers engaged. For level control, look to the Properties panel in the top right of your workspace. Under the Audio section, adjust the volume up or down to taste. Changes you make here affect only the separated audio, not the video clip, so your visuals stay untouched while you refine the sound. You can also use this workflow to balance different audio elements. For example, you can lower background music while keeping dialogue clear, or increase voice volume if the original recording sounds too quiet. This quick right-click method is perfect when you want a clean workflow for dialogue polishing, balancing background audio, or keeping your timeline organized. Because the sound is isolated on its own track, it's easier to make precise cuts, see the waveform clearly, and keep everything in sync without extra steps. Keeping your audio organized on a separate layer also makes future edits easier. If you need to replace the sound, add effects, or make adjustments later, you can do it without disturbing your video clips. And that's all there is to it. Instant audio extraction with a simple right-click or the Ctrl+Shift+S shortcut. You're all set to edit your sound with confidence while your footage stays exactly as it is. With this simple CapCut PC technique, you can create cleaner audio edits and have much more control over your final video.